What is up everybody, welcome and good morning and good afternoon to everyone who's watching the video. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer Tether from Binance into your Coinbase account. So for those people who do not know Tether is basically like a stable coin. So its value is according to the US dollar value. So if you're buying Tether, it basically means you're buying a US dollar, alright? So just keep that in mind. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of Tether to know more about it. It's like a, altcoin. And let's get into today's video, which is on how you guys can transfer, Tether. Follow the step before that. Do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase and Binance, you guys can use that referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus. And let's jump right into the video. First step, you want to go to Binance.com. This is the official website of Binance. You want to log in into your account. Once you're over here, this is basically the website of my Binance account. You want to go on where it says wallet. You want to go on overview. After you go on overview, you want to go on this withdraw section over here. Once you click on withdraw section, basically it's going to take you to the withdraw page. And once you're over here, you want to choose the currency which you want to exchange. So right now it's Bitcoin. So I want to choose Tether over here, which is Tether US, which means USDT. The short form of Tether is USDT. You want to choose that. After you choose that, basically what you want to do is you want to go to your Coinbase. Once you're in Coinbase, you want to find the wallet address of your Tether. Basically, while choosing wallet address is important because if you send Tether into Bitcoin wallet address, your Tether is gone. So keep that in mind. You want to send Tether to Tether wallet address. So how you guys can do that is you want to click on send and receive, and you want to go on receive over here. Once you're in receive, you want to choose Tether from over here. So I'm going to choose Tether. So I'm going to choose Tether. As you guys can see, after choosing Tether, it's going to, give me the wallet address. Now, once you are over here, you want to, copy this wallet address. Once you copy this wallet address, you want to paste the wallet address over here. After you paste the wallet address, you want to choose which network you want to use. And after you do that, you want to enter the amount of Tether you want to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer $45 worth of Tether. I want to click on withdraw. After I click on withdraw, my Tether will be transferred from Binance to Coinbase. So that's basically how you guys can do it. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. It's me, Kevin, signing out. And, use our referral link in the description to sign up for Coinbase and Binance to get up to $10 bonus.